Major narcotics operation on the way. 5 persons taken into custody, including a police officer. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A fifth major suspect linked to the local drug trafficking trade has been taken into custody in a pre-dawn operation in St. James and St. Andrew involving the Jamaican and United States law enforcement officers. 4 people were initially arrested, but the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA has since tweeted that a 5th person was taken into custody. The operation is being led by MOCA, Narcotics Police, the Financial Investigation Division, the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, the Jamaica Constabulary Force Fugitive Apprehension Team, the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration, and the United States Marshal. 2 of the suspects that were taken into custody are on extradition warrants from the United States. According to a senior law enforcement official, it's the first drug-related extradition warrant from the United States since 2009. The 2009 warrant was for Christopher Dodos Coke, a Jamaican drug lord who was extradited in 2010. Coke was later convicted and is serving a 23-year prison sentence in the United States. Police sources stated that several high-end vehicles were also seized during Wednesday morning pre-dawn operation. One of the suspects was apprehended at a gated apartment complex, the Avery, located in Claremont Avenue in St. Andrew. Revealed that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is among those taken into custody in Montego Bay, St. James, as a major Jamaica-U.S. narcotics trafficking operation that targeted individuals in the Western City and Kingston early Wednesday morning. We will have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.